Let's show this figure in front of us. So this is a parking gland. Our dimensions are in a millimeters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come on new here. Okay, we can metric standards millimeters and we say create. So here we are going to start with a rectangle. So you're gonna come here, then we say there's a rectangle. Then after that, I'm gonna join these 2 points. There we go. Then I'll come for the circles. So the first one, the second one, and the third one. Then I'll come here, I'll draw this one, then that one, here this one, and that one. There again, I don't want any constraint here. So this one and that one. So I want this to be equal to this one, okay, and that to be equal to this one here, okay, and again this to be equal to that one, and that to be equal to that one. Now that I have this, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna give dimensions. So this one here needs to be 55 millimeters. Okay, 55 it is. That one there needs to be 50 millimeters. Okay, that needs to be 40 millimeters, and the last one needs to be 36 millimeters, so 36. Okay, once I have that, I'm gonna come for this one. So that one needs to be 7 millimeters, and this needs to be 15 millimeters. Good. So I want from here to there to be 25 millimeters. Okay, and from there to there to be 50 millimeters. Good. And between that one and that one, I need to have 25 millimeters, and between this one here and that one, I need to have 25 millimeters as well. Alright, now from there to here, I need to have 57 millimeters. Good. Now that I have that, I need to make sure that this line here goes up to the, even this fine. This one goes up to here. Right now, I'll make sure that this line is tangent to that one, tangent to this one, that one is tangent to that one, and tangent to that one. Good. This in place. Now I'm gonna go in 3D model. Here, I'm gonna go and extrude. So I'm going to extrude this part here. Let's try the other side so that we can see clearly what we are doing. That's one and that one. Okay. And here I need that part there. I need this one as well and that one. Okay. Coming here, I need this part here and that one. Then that one. And this one here. Now that I have that, I'm gonna come here and say 5 millimeters. So I need to extrude it by 5 millimeters, both sides of our drawing plane. Then I'll come here. Now I have it this way. Then after that, I'm gonna say plus. Okay. Now I want to extrude this part here and that part here by 12 and a half one side, 12 and a half. Okay, which is that side, and 4 and a half coming my side, as you can see. Okay, now I say plus. I'm going now to extrude this part here. All right, the other way around. So I will say one side only. It needs to go by 12.5. Okay, 12.5. Then I'll say plus now. I need to cut it down, so I'm gonna cut so that it can remain with 2 millimeters hanging. So I'm gonna cut by 2.5. So 12.5 minus 10.5 gives you 2.5. So now this is how you have it there. Okay, hanging there. Then I say, okay, now you have your figure in front of us. As you can see, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna give it the material. So you come here and say carbon steel. We can go with carbon steel. Where's carbon steel? There we go. Now you have everything properly done. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.